going to the Jonas Brothers concert tomorrow? Shoot, shoot! Shoot! Nice one, man. Oh, baby. Oh! Drains it, man. You should be like LeBron James. Do you mind if you're on tape? On YouTube? Do you mind if you're on YouTube? No. Okay. Oh, baby! Baby LeBron James! Oh, baby! Can I go down? Welcome to Hushibadi. Now, the gorilla guy is going to tell us what shake are we going to make and what condiments we're going to need. I said condiments.
I'm gorilla man. I am going to make for you today a poop shake.
Poop shake.
Yeah.
Wait, do you need a silver or a poop shake, man?
No.
Here, just take a spoon.
I don't need silver. Okay.
Okay.
Now you get the cup.
Watch this.
You get ketchup.
Wait, don't you add the milk first?
No, you add.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, you add milk first.
This is classic. Okay. Let me get this. This is so nasty. Okay. Good. Okay. Get this up. Okay. Girl, man. I pissed him. This is so funny. I pissed in my pants. Back to business.
No, you think it.
Oh, please. This is funny.
You boy get the.
Oh, sick. Did you put the jelly? Oh, there's my dog.
Did you?
Oh. Wait, don't forget the cheese. Oh, mix it all up after. Oh, that smells gross.
Hey, what are you doing?
Cheese bun, man. Oh, you're gonna puke. Should we drink it outside? Oh my god, that's sick.
It up?
Oh, that is sick.
Ow.
That is sick. Oh. Oh man. Dude, that's so sick. Sick. Okay, let me see it.
And now you have yourself a poop shake.
This is sick.
Thank you. I am Gorilla Man.
Are we? And I gonna drink it outside?
This is Gorilla Man with Sidekick. Sidekick going to drink sick, nasty poop milkshake. Okay, here we go.
This is so sick. I can't
I don't give you nothing. You drink. What are you doing? You're supposed. Yes, you drink more. Oh man, that doesn't look too good right there. Man, you might want to miss school tomorrow if you drink that. Here's what throw up looks like from a poop shake. And there's the man poop one more time.